Hi there guys, welcome back to another demo day today. We're going to be using the Distress Oxides and the Brushos. So starting with the ground espresso, I'm going to ink up, and then starting from the base of the card I'm going to work my way up and just keep blending out. And then I'm going to repeat that process. I want quite a bit of depth to the card, so okay. So moving on to the Brushos now, I'm going to take my fan brush and then I'm going to start just tapping the yellow on top. And then we're going to pick up the turquoise . And then a little bit of the pink. Okay, let's start with that. So I'm going to dry that off now. Of course you can let this dry naturally. I'm just speeding things up with the heat gun here. And the colours look quite vivid when you first apply them, but you'll be surprised how they just they dull down, they go quite muted once they're dry, as you can see. Now this gives us a chance to look at it and decide whether we want more colour on or different colour, and we can just keep adding to it. So you can see there, hopefully, in front of the camera, it gives us really quite a nice effect. Okay, so I might just add some water to this now, and we know that the water can bleach out the colour. So I want to add a few lighter areas. So again, moving back to the brush, and I'm just going to dot a little bit of water . And then pull that colour out by just simply dabbing that off. And you can see how that affects the card again. And you're just building up that really nice sort of textured background. Okay, so I'm just going to give that a quick blast. And that's now ready for me to stamp onto. So we're going to be using our mushrooms today. So I'm going to ink up. This time I'm inking up in Warm Breeze. And then simply place that down. And then I'm going to just use our slightly smaller mushroom and put that at the base. And again, our other mushroom, I'm going to pop that one over here. Like so. And then I'm going to move back to the larger one. And then picking a different colour, this time I think we'll go with the twilight. And I'll just pop that one in the middle there. That just gives us a little bit of depth to the card. Okay, so I'm going to pop a few words about. And again, I think I'm going to use the Warm Breeze for this one. So inking up. There we go. I'm going to use the Versamark, and then this time I'm going to use, which colour? Let's use the Silver Pearl of the Mica Minerals. So again, just going to ink up and pop that down there like so, and we'll let's pop another one here. And all I'm doing is just picking a little bit of the powder up and brushing that over the top. And you see how that just pops out. And we brush that off. And you can see at the base there we've got that word, the love, at the bottom. That's using just the mica powders dusted over the top of the VersaFine. Okay. So I'm going to highlight the areas on the mushroom. This time I'm going to use, let's use the white. This will make it really stand out. Okay, last one. Okay, so you can see how that just pulls that image out. Now all we're going to do is just go around the edge of the card, and this time we're going to be using the twilight. It's a really nice, quick, easy card to do. No fuss, but it's quite effective. I hope you can see that under the camera there. Okay guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Take care. Bye for now.